स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले स्टैंडर्ड 4th का EVS2 का लेसन नंबर 15 अ मेमोरेबल सेरेमनी के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। जो भी हम आंसर देखेंगे वो तो शॉर्ट्स में ही रहेंगे ताकि आपको कुछ लर्निंग में प्रॉब्लम ना हो। चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अभी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स। A. शिवाजी selected रायगढ़ as the capital of his kingdom. B. Shivaji's coronation took a place in 1674. Question number 2. Write the answer in one sentence. A. The water of which 7 rivers was filled in the golden vessel? Answer. The golden vessel was filled with the waters of the 7 rivers. Those are Ganga, Sindhu, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna, Narmada and Kaveri. B. What calendar did Shivaji Maharaj start from the year of his coronation? Answer. Shivaji Maharaj started a new calendar, the coronation calendar, from 1674, the year of his coronation. Question number 3. Write the answer in 2 or 3 sentences. A. Why did Shivaji Maharaj have himself crowned? Answer. Shivaji Maharaj had himself crowned because for everyone to know that Swarajya has been firmly established, to give newly founded Swarajya a firm footing, to have his kingdom recognized by all other princes. B. Why did Shivaji Maharaj select Raigad as the capital of his kingdom? Answer. Shivaji Maharaj selected Raigad as the capital of his kingdom because Raigad was a strong hill fort. From Raigad it was easy to administer the kingdom and keep a watch on the enemy. C. Why did Jijamata's eyes filled with the tears of joy? Answer. Jijamata's eyes filled with the tears of joy because her 30 years of efforts had borne fruit. The dream she nursed even before Shivaji's birth had come true. Okay student, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video, then do like, comment and share. And for more such videos, subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials. We will meet in the next video. Till that, keep learning.